grandparents' house to the apartment. Just checking in with the guys. For those of you who don't know, I'm in the process of moving. So everything is down. The computer is down. Everything is down. Literally, actually just started setting up the new room this morning, but it's been hell. My lower back has been on fire. And right when I got the lower back to working order, my shoulder blows out. Like, so it's just been hell. But the move is finished, and now it's just getting getting everything set up now. So maybe tomorrow I might want to try to start and get the computer set back up. I've got like it kind of placed out where I want it, but now I just need to start hooking up cables and things like that. Also, lots of questions have been coming in. A couple new members in the community in the Octane school, so it's been a little bit hard trying to onboard everybody without the computer, just basically going mobile like I am doing right now. I'm actually surprised, and I'm really surprised at the quality right now on this stream going from my phone. I mean, this looks pretty clean for like no light. But yeah, quick stroll, show you guys what it looks like here. We'll flip the camera. Boom. Walking in the streets of Osaka, Japan at 9:30 at night, which I don't mind doing here in Japan because the streets are pretty much a hell of a lot safer than where I was in Cali, in California. So I'm not directly in the city. I'm a little bit on the outskirts, but it's pretty cool. So got some stuff planned, man. I can't wait to get the system back up and get back onto pumping out some new guides for the Blender Octane 101 guide. Again, if you guys don't know, Blender Octane 101 guide walks you through everything as I'm learning it and getting everybody up to par on how to use Blender Octane. So it's been a beast these last couple of days moving. Literally the day we got the keys to the apartment was on the 26th. The movers came on the 30th. My daughter gets sick. She gets the flu literally the day after Christmas. So that was like, oh, great. So I'm thinking I'm gonna catch the flu anytime soon. Knock on wood. I haven't caught it so far. I've been pretty clean, but I've been cranking up on the vitamin C boosters, or what we call emergency, which I bought when I was back home in the States. It's like a little thing you add to your water, like little vitamin C boosters. So I've been pumping those like crazy. And then grandparents on this side over here, grandpa got the flu from my daughter. So it's been like crazy just trying to keep myself healthy for this move. But knock on wood, I think I'll be all right. Only got a couple more days left. I think today here in Japan it is the 31st. They don't do like the whole New Year's countdown. It's not a big deal here. Like literally, it's not a big deal. Nobody even cares. Unlike in America, everybody gets all festive and crazy and stuff. So that doesn't really happen here. And hang on, one other thing I need to check on this stream.